Today, I'm going to tell you a very clear truth that most people overlook. If sagging begins in your face after the age of 40, if your knees make cracking sounds when you climb stairs, and if your hair is noticeably thinning, the reason is not simply aging as you think. It is the collagen your body loses a little more of each year. Collagen is not just a beauty product or a cosmetic, it is the cement of your body. Just as a building cannot stand if its pillars erode, when collagen decreases, the skin, joints, and intestines begin to collapse. Unfortunately, after the age of 30, we lose an average of 1% of our collagen each year. By the time we reach 40, about half of it is gone. People usually spend thousands on collagen powders, but these powders are essentially factory-packaged bone broth. You don't need to buy real and effective collagen. You can make it yourself at home. How to prepare real collagen at home. This method is a timeless secret that science has only recently begun to rediscover. Collagen is not in the meat, it is in the bones, cartilage, and marrow. Buy marrow bones, trotters, and joint ends from your butcher. Boil the bones for 5 minutes and discard the first foam. Add clean water and be sure to include a tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar is the scientific key that helps collagen dissolve from the bones. Simmer on very low heat for at least 8 hours, ideally between 12 and 18 hours, very slowly. Be patient. Collagen is delicate and dissolves slowly. If the mixture turns into a jelly-like consistency when cooled, it means you have obtained the most powerful type 1 and type 2 collagen. Consume this natural gelatin daily by adding it to your soups or meals. After trying it for 30 days, you'll notice reduced knee pain, brighter skin, and improved sleep. Finally, a very important warning. Sugar is collagen's biggest enemy. Consuming sugar stiffens collagen fibers and causes you to wrinkle quickly. Remember, youth is not in expensive creams or pills, but in the natural food simmering in your cot. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With your support, I can continue producing more natural and science-based content. Thank you very much for watching.